Find or read reviews that people are talking about Hoxalqa Smart Watch. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. On-wrist Bluetooth calls, SMS notifications. Our phone watch features a microphone and speaker, enabling easy receive call and make call. Respond to calls without your phone. Message and app alerts are wrist ready, reducing phone checks. Smartwatch for men ensures you never miss any important calls or messages. All-day health tracking. Smartwatch for women. Men can track heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure day and night. Gain insights into your body's state during work, indoor or outdoor activities, and sleep. 8 sport modes for active lifestyles. Fitness tracker incorporates 8 sport modes for activities like jump rope, running, sit-ups, table tennis, basketball, badminton, hiking, and more. Sports watch also can track steps, distance, and calories burned during workouts with precision. 1.85-inch HD color display. Enjoy the clarity of the 1.85-inch HD full-screen fitness watch and choose from 100+ watch face styles for personalization, featuring photos of you, family, friends, and pets. Embrace individuality with a waterproof watch face that echoes your unique style. iOS and Android compatibility. Smartwatch for iOS Android compatible. Sync seamlessly with devices operating on iOS 9.0 Plus or Android 5.0 Plus platforms, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Voice Assistant empowers wrist-based phone control, weather updates, remote camera, and music playback. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.